Donald Trump and his administration are buying Ethereum. In this video, I'm going to explain what that update means for the Ethereum price, because the technicals alone on the lower here and the medium time frame suggest a big breakout. But if that wasn't enough, we need to discuss what's happened in the last few days and how it's going to affect the Ethereum price going into the next few days and weeks. Huge update, very important. Hit the like. We're going to discuss price action, analysis, predictions, and everything else in between, so stay tuned. Now, the first major update, very, very important. The World Liberty Financial Organization announced yesterday on Trump's inauguration that they've bought a huge amount of crypto, $47 million of each: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Arv, Link, TRX, and ENA. These are all Web3 utility tokens. For those of you that don't know, World Liberty Financial, I made a tweet about it. It's basically Donald Trump and his family's financial institution for decentralized finance. It's a crypto borrowing, lending, and investment platform. Trump is the chief crypto advocate, but he's also got his sons involved as well, like Barron, Eric, and they have their own token. And why does it matter? Trump shifts from crypto critic to advocate. He's aiming to make the US a crypto leader. Investors are reportedly buying Ethereum, expecting, and more than reporting, they are. So they've actually been buying Ethereum through tooth and nail in the last 24 hours. Actually, just earlier today, they bought another another 24 million Ethereum, and they in total own almost 200 million Ethereum right now. Now, the Ethereum ETF, the spot ETF inflows are on the increase, and actually they have now 5 green days in a row. We can't count yesterday because it was Martin Luther King Day and also the inauguration, so they didn't have any data for that because it's an ETF. It's traded on conventional markets where you can trade crypto spot anytime, any place. So let's talk about what it means for the Ethereum price. Ethereum right now on the 30-minute time frame, so this is relevant for this week, you can see a clear breakout. We have this kind of double bottom in play, and I do have a long trade open, and this is kind of the position that I'm holding right now. I'll show you. Basically, if you can get a long trade, I entered, let me check my entry here. At the moment, it's pretty much break even. I'm a little bit in profit. My entry price was 3296, and this is the trade that I have basically at the moment for this week. So we're talking about the following. I entered around here, about 3296, and I'm aiming in the lower short term for this kind of $3,400 mark. So slightly in profit, you can see here, but I have some other trades open. We'll discuss those in a minute, but let's talk about, first of all, this chart. This chart is very interesting. It's very, very bullish. You can see we're in this range. We're in this wedge. Support is down at about 3,000 to 3,200. Resistance up at that kind of 4K level. The very interesting thing about this chart, when you take away these lines and put it on the weekly, we are in this textbook inverse head and shoulders pattern. About 85% of the time these break to the upside, and the target that we have out of this is extremely bullish. It's actually a 100% move. I'm waiting for the big breakout, and I'm going to be showing you why I believe that breakout's happening. I am expecting somewhere in the region of $7,500 to $8,000 very, very soon, and it's all part of what's happening on the institutional level. The Ethereum spot ETF inflows, Donald Trump not just buying it, but also being a huge advocate for crypto. He launched his own meme coin. And by the way, on that note, as a side note, the token's called Trump. And I'm actually giving away some free Trump in the link down below. You can buy it and trade it on WeX. You don't need KYC. You can trade futures, any cryptocurrency you like. And actually, if you deposit $200 below on WeX with the link below, you'll get $100 in free Trump token. Could be a huge mover. It already did something like a crazy 600%. It's on a dip at the moment, so a great time to accumulate some more. And this is WeX. This is where I'm trading futures. You can do spot trading as well. Really good platform. So let's look at this chart. Most interesting in terms of the macro. It's the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Why does it matter? It matters because every single cycle we've had, Ethereum loses value against Bitcoin during the bear markets. Look what it did in the first one. This was back in 2016. Ethereum lost 80% of value against Bitcoin. Only in the bull market of 2016 to kind of 2018, 2017, it did a 2000x. Then from the high of June 2017, this is going back a bit, it lost 90%. And in the recent decline, we've seen Ethereum lose value of 67% against Bitcoin. Now, of course, there's many other altcoins in the space now, so I believe this has bottomed out, or very, very close to bottoming out. I'm expecting a huge reversal in Ethereum against Bitcoin. It's interesting to look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, which you can see has actually broken to the downside out of this wedge that accumulated over the last 2 years. I'm expecting altcoins to catch up. We can already see it in the lower cap altcoins. We're seeing a breakout. This is the total 3 chart. It shows all cryptocurrencies except for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can see it's on a surge to the upside. Ethereum will join it, in my opinion, very, very soon. So all looking very, very bullish indeed. So yeah, Trump's buying Ethereum. His administration are buying Ethereum. I'm long. These are my trades that are open. Once again, description down below has a bonus link. You can trade Ethereum. You can also get some free Trump coin as well. Let me know in the comments how bullish you are on Ethereum right now. And if you're bullish on Trump coin as well, I'd be interested to know. Do check out any one of these videos on screen, and I'll see you later on another video. So have the bell turned on. See you later. Bye-bye.